Hello and welcome to HTML5 course. This is video number 5, tutorial number 5 of the HTML5 course. In this video, we will discuss HTML lists. HTML has three type of lists to specify information on a web page. Okay, we have three type of lists that we can have on the HTML5. And now we will discuss what are those types and how we can write them. Okay, the first one is ordered list. If you want the data to be in some order form, some order fashion like numbers, alphabets, etc., we can have ordered list for that. But by default, all the ordered lists can be marked as numbers by the HTML5. But if you want to change it to alphabets or Romans, we can do it using CSS that we will learn in future. We can write order list by using HTML tags. OL as the main tag. OL can be used for order list, and then li can be used for the list item. Okay, we use OL for order list and li for the list item. Okay, the main tag would be OL and then li to put the list items that I will show you in the Sublime Text Editor. The second one is on order list. Okay, on order list are marked as bullet points. We can write an on order list by using HTML tags ul. Okay, if you want the list items to be in some unordered fashion like bullet points or maybe any other symbol that we can have with the help of unordered list. But how we can write on unordered list in HTML5? Okay, with that we have to use the ul tag. U stands for unordered and L for list. Okay, and then we have li tag for the list item. The main tag would be ul, and after that we would have the li tag. Example of unordered list can be like that. Okay, you can see that item 1, 2, 3 with the bullet points. And the third one is definition list. Definition list can be some less like you want a definition of something, you want to write a definition of a topic or maybe something, then you can use definition list. Okay, for definition tag, we use the dl tag for definition list, and then the dt and dd tags. The dl defines the start of the list. Okay, the main tag is, I told you, definition list. Dt defines a term, data term, definition term, and the dd defines the definition description. Okay, now you can see it here. The example of the definition list can be that. Okay, now let's come to the Sublime Text Editor. Just save the file first with an HTML extension, HTML file. I will save it on desktop, list.html. Okay, save it. Now what are the first things that we have to do, as we have discussed in the video number 2. If you missed it, just watch it. Okay, the main tags, the main tag, first one is HTML, and then why we do that and how we do that, I have discussed that in video number 2. Now the title of inside the head tag, we have to write the title tag. Page title. Okay, I will give it a name, the website name. It would be the website name, but now all other information should be inside the body tag. I have discussed that too. Now let's come here, some space. Now you to write the list, the first one was order list. Okay, for that we have to do ol tag. Okay, order list. Okay, that is would be the main tag. Now I want some other things inside that. I will give a heading here, just to put some information. Of want robotic team, a heading, so we will have a good proper list. Now as I got the OL tag for the order list, then I will have LI tag. I will have 3 LI tag. I will just copy and paste, Control plus C, and then paste, paste, paste. Okay. I will give number 1 robots, CNC machines, drones, programming, courses, etc. Now save it. Now come to the file that we saved, that is on the list. Come to the list. Can you see it now? On order list, okay? Order list with the number fission. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the order list. Okay, one about 18 was the heading. Now the list is robots, CNC machine, drones, programming, courses, etc. Now if we want another list, the UL tag OL on order list. Okay, on order list, for that we have UL tag. Just close the tag first. Now here I will have another H3 heading, that websites, web development. Okay, now I will close that. LI, copy with the list item. Okay, we use LI for the list item 3. Okay, for web development we have HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. Just save it. Okay, save it. Now come to the browser, refresh it. Now this is on ordered list. Okay, with the bullet point. Okay, bullet point. Can you see it now? This is on ordered list and this is ordered list. The third one was the definition list. It was the definition list. Okay, DL, DT, and DD we use for that. Okay, for that I will write and give another heading H3 HTML HTML5 definition. Okay, HTML5 definition list. Okay, now for definition list, the first tag is DL definition list, and then we have to close it, and then we will use the DT and DD term. Okay, don't forget the tags. You have to remember the tags. Okay, DT and then DD. Okay, just write HTML and here hypertext markup language that can be used for creating structure of a web page. Just save it now, come to the browser and refresh it. Can you see it now? This is the definition list. That is the term, the definition of a term that we want, and this is the definition. Okay, so these are the the 3 lists of HTML5. Number 1 is order list, number 2 is unordered list, number 3 is definition list. These are the 3 lists that we can have in HTML5. And the upcoming video we will discuss nested lists, how we can put one list inside another list. For example, if you want to put an order list inside on another unordered list, or maybe unordered list inside a order list. Okay, how we can do that with HTML5. And the upcoming video we will discuss that. So subscribe to our channel Avant Robotic Team, and please press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. Thank you so much, and wait for another video.